if the next one is a blue gumball, I'll give you 20 bucks.
No, you're kidding.
Yeah, I'm for real.
You're gonna do 20, do you have 20 bucks on you?
Yeah, I got 20 bucks.
What's going on, guys? Aaron Hips here. So before we get too far in this video, just take a pause it really quick, and go down and smash the like button. I said that this video got 10,000 likes, that we'll be giving away an iPhone 11. It says it right there on the screen. Also, if you guys have been a viewer of the channel for at least the past 30 days, you would know that I said in December, if one of my videos between December 1st and December 31st got 10,000 likes before the end of December that I upload during December, I was going to be giving away an iPhone 11. And none of my videos have hit 10,000 likes yet between the 1st and the end of December. So guys, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. We're trying to hit 10,000 likes. We're going to be doing a giveaway the last day of December. It's going to be December 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be on a live stream. So guys, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the push bell notifications as well, so you get notified when we do that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get right into this video. What's going on, guys? Aaron Hips here. We got the Ibanez squad here.
Yeah, Ibanez fam, you know what I'm saying?
So today we actually got an awesome video going on. So I filmed a video a long time ago, actually like 2 months ago.
Yeah, 2 months ago.
I said if that video got so many likes, we were gonna be going and taking like literally a whole bag of quarters and basically cleaning out an entire like gumball machine, right?
Yep.
That video went viral. So
somehow.
we got Jaime Ibanez out here again, and we're gonna go and clean out this gumball machine, and just keep watching. We're gonna explain it a little bit more. The only reason I'm starting my video out here is because I wanted an excuse to show you guys the Christmas lights that I worked really hard to put up. And the whole time Jaime's been here, what have I been doing? Running to
outside,
literally running to the store trying to get the lights. Oh my god, it's only 9 something, and dude, family video is closed. We came here so late last.
All the days, it had to be today.
Dude, we came here so late last time to film here, and they're closed. Another family video, they're gonna be closed when we find another gumball machine. But the whole point was to see how many free videos we were gonna get. I said that I was gonna fill a bag up with quarters.
Yeah,
right.
We had it. Oh my god.
Like, look at this thing. Like, it's full. Like, I told you guys I was gonna fill it up all the way.
Boy. Damn, boy, he's thick!
There's
100?
at least $100 in there. We are here at a store now. Now, this is not family video, so you don't get any like prizes or anything.
No movie rentals.
No free movie rentals. Every gumball out of here. We are gonna try, like, literally, like, there's a bucket this big down here, right? Put the bag compared to the bottom of this.
Look at that.
Like, seriously, dude. So let's maybe do like a time lapse, or like, I don't know. I think the only appropriate way we do it is we're gonna like get a bag, right? I say we take one of these right there.
You gotta pay for that?
No.
You gotta pay for that?
No.
No, you gotta pay for it.
I do? How much is it?
25 cents. Hey, there we go. Now we can get some gum.
You know what we should do? Like, we should hold it, like, or have a way to tie it on there. I don't know.
On this one. Just hang
We
it on
could.
this
Here,
one.
hold this. I wonder if anyone else is doing anything relatively close to what we're doing.
Probably not.
I know. There we go. And done. First gumball. Here we go.
First one. Hopefully we get a blue one. There's no purple inside.
Yellow.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine
Oh my god. What did I put it in there?
What are you doing? How many did you put in there? Oh no, Jaime! I'm trying to break it.
So it's jammed, but...
Oh, I got it! I got it! Oh!
Break it.
Oh, there it goes. I think I fixed it. We unjammed it.
Look, if the next one is a blue gumball, I'll give you 20 bucks.
No, you're kidding.
Yeah, I'm for real.
Okay, got it. You're gonna do 20, do you have 20 bucks on you?
Yeah, I got 20 bucks.
Damn! Pick another color. Come on.
Okay, yellow.
Yellow?
Watch with my damn luck. Oh my god! Oh my god! Of course!
Okay, but I'll do it with you. Okay, so Jaime said if I got a blue one or a yellow one within 2 quarters, he'd give me 20 bucks. I'll do it back to you, so you can break even.
So I can get my money back. Okay.
Okay, ready? If you get a grape one. Grape's not a freaking color.
Grape.
Purple one. Okay, ready? Purple. I'll give you 20 bucks.
All
It
right.
came up.
There's your blue.
Blue. Wait, you gotta pick a color that. Never mind. Never mind. Red.
Okay, red. The red one comes up. You don't owe me 20 bucks no more.
What is it? What is it? Oh my god! I should have said yellow again.
Dang, what happened to this one?
Oh, that's one that got crushed. Yo, that's one that got stuck in like the auger or something like that. I want 100 bucks. That if the next sequence, pink, grape, banana.
I don't know.
So pink, grape, no, pink, grape, or yellow. No, it has to come out in that order.
Oh.
So that means I have to get a pink one, then a grape one, then a yellow one. Or backwards. So if I get a pink one, a grape one, or a yellow one, all in sequence. So if a pink one comes out, then a purple one, then a yellow one, you owe me 100 bucks. Or if it does it backwards.
Don't do it, baby.
Do it.
Grape
Do it.
is rare.
Do it.
Wait, okay. If it doesn't happen, I don't owe you 20 bucks no more.
No. Just
What
take
do
the
you mean
bet.
not?
Just take the bet. What are the odds of it gonna happen? All right, cool. All right, here we go. Record it. All right, here we go. Here we go. So I gotta get a pink one first or a yellow one because it either has to be pink, purple, and then yellow, or yellow, purple, pink.
Let's see. Oh, you got a yellow one.
Oh no. Oh. Okay, so next needs to be purple. Here we go. Ready? No.
Yeah, there we go. Wait.
No.
No?
It's I know you lost. I lost. But what if it's a purple now?
Oh no, yeah.
Okay, let's do another sequence. Me, I'll owe you 100 bucks.
All right.
Okay, so pick your sequence.
All right. I'm gonna pick blue,
Okay, blue,
yellow,
yellow.
pink.
So blue, yellow, pink. Blue, yellow, pink.
Oh
White.
no.
All right. Meanwhile, they're gonna do that. And we're gonna take a break and do the claw machine. Oh, you gave me a play for 3 quarters. It's $1 per play, and I saved one. You know what that means?
What?
If I buy a gumball and it's red, you owe me 50 bucks.
All right.
On top of the 20 you already owe me.
Okay.
Red.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Oh my god! My god! Dude! What the heck? Dude, that's insane!
If the next one's a yellow one, I don't know what you
Wait! I put that is crazy. I put $1 in it. It's $1 per play, which is 4 quarters. And I put 75 cents in. I had an extra quarter. I'm like, here, Jaime, if this is a red one with this quarter, you owe me 50 bucks on top of the 20.
Go play the lottery or something.
So you owe me 70. If I lose here, you only owe me 50 bucks. But if I win, you owe me 100.
No.
No. Oh, I thought I was gonna win that.
Yeah.
Okay, you only owe me 50. All right, Jaime, ready? Here we go. If I go and win that dog first try with $1 right now, if I go try that dog again and you win it with the first $1 that I put in there and win that dog with that $1 and then come over here after I win that dog and get a purple one, you owe me $500.
All right.
Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. This is gonna be crazy. Oh. It almost got it. All right, here's the deal. Pick any color out of here.
Orange.
Orange. Okay, orange. Give me $1. If I win that dog over there with this $1, then come over here immediately after and pull an orange one out of there. He owes me $100 on top of the 50 he already owes me. But I have to win that dog with this $1. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Ooh.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
All right, here's the deal. It's time to do it again. If I can go over and win that dog first try, and then pull out a purple one immediately after, okay?
All right.
If I can win that white dog right there, and then immediately after, pull out a purple gumball, and then turn around and come back here and pull that guy out, you owe me $1,000.
So you get the dog, go get a purple gumball,
Go get a purple gumball.
and then come get what?
this guy right here.
I'll give you $1,000.
Okay, so you owe me $1,100.
All right. Watch.
Nope.
Hell yeah.
All right, you want to take the bet with me?
No.
Okay, wait, stop turning it real quick. There we go. We had to shake it to get some of the gumballs back on. All right, continue. Pick a random color on that board.
Yellow and pink.
If I win that dog,
What?
first try, I pull out a yellow or pink, you owe me $50.
Ah, yeah, you're not getting that.
Damn! At this point in the video, we were literally getting so tired. I think we were already here for like 2 hours. And I mean, that thing was almost full of gumballs. I mean, like, here's a recap on the screen right now of how full it was. But we were just getting so tired and really just wanted to leave. But hey, we had to get that YouTube content. So guys, if you're still watching, please drop a like, man. This video was really difficult to make. Yellow.
Wait, can I change mine?
No. Blue, white, or yellow is gonna be the very last gumball. Keep an eye on this.
The white's going out, baby. No! Look at that. There's no way the white's going out.
Oh.
Yellow might be it.
Hey, Richard, you pushed the blue in there. You pushed it in there.
Baby, he's yelling at me. Tell him something.
Wait. What? What did I say?
Nothing. Oh,
Dude,
there we go.
someone should have said pink. There it is.
Is that the last one?
Yep.
Yep. There we go. Dude, look at
that.
this huge bag.
You can get it out of there.
Look, for everyone that has never seen an empty gumball machine, look at this.
Okay, here's the deal. Ready? Take the steal. If I win this try and then go buy a gumball out of this one right here and it's blue, you give me $20,000.
You know what? No, yeah, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Baby, with
If I
your
buy a
luck.
gumball machine out there and it's blue, you'll give me $20,000.
With my luck, I bet you there's gonna be a blue one in there.
So if I win that first try and then buy a gumball out of here and it's blue, you'll give me 20 grand.
Looks like it.
It's weird. It's just hitting them. Oh, that looks good.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, there
Come
we go.
on.
There we go.
Stay in there. First
Yeah,
try.
I got
Okay,
it.
now I gotta get a blue gumball out of there. All right, ready? What if it is a blue one for some reason?
I'm gonna be so mad.
It's red. But what if it wasn't?
You can't tell me this doesn't look like you.
Yeah.
We're gonna head out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.